right, so after making more than $3,000 with the Amazon influencer program, I'm gonna share with you who I think it's for, who it's not for, and my feedback of the program. All right, let's go. All right, for starters, I should note that it's kind of confusing from Amazon because they've had this program called the Amazon Associates program since like the late 90s. That's a long time where you sign up and you are an affiliate. It is affiliate marketing, but you get links and you share those. The Amazon Influencer program is a little bit different because it's video content. It's video related. You build a storefront, you build content, you can share those videos, or they could be on the Amazon shopping platform themselves. Like here's an example. Here's literally our storefront, just like with some examples of like what that looks like on Amazon's website. So that's the difference. First of all, note there is a difference. Now, to get into the program, you're going to need some sort of social following because you have to give them a link and say, look, like, hey, here's my social channel where I'm going to share this content that I create. Whether you're going to do that or not, because you can make money from the program like I have by just making videos and them showing up that Amazon serves them on their website, but you still have to have a social following in order to get approved into the program. It doesn't have to be a huge following. I've heard of people literally creating a TikTok channel, running some ads, getting 1,000 followers, and then getting approved. So, but just know that you have to have a social following. Let's say you do that, you get accepted. Now you have to make 3 videos that pass their quality guidelines, meaning a person will review these videos and give you the, yes, these are good, or like, no, you have to redo these. And you only get 3 shots at that, 3 strikes and you're out. I've heard of people, I've seen some people failing these videos and not really sure failing. Like you can't have, you need to read through their instructions, but you can't have like private information in your videos. You can't show like barcodes of the items that you're showing. You can't talk about the pricing, a lot of stuff like that. But I have seen some people get denied and I'm like, man, I'm not sure what you did wrong, but okay. You have your social following, you get approved. Then you make 3 videos and you get those approved. All right, now you're in, okay? Now you're officially in the program and you can start really like ramping up the volume of the videos that you're creating. All right, so now I'm gonna talk about some of the positives, some of the negatives, and then I'm gonna give you some tips to make it really work for you if you decide that, hey, this is something that's for you. All right, so one thing that I already talked about, the storefront, it is cool. Like this is a positive. I mean, you're able to upload these videos into the storefront. Then you can even, like you can share this link with other people and say, hey, buy my stuff. You can create shopping or idea list and share those lists. So like in my local media newsletter, I actually have these. I have books by local authors and I'm able to share this list directly with them. It's pretty cool. And then it leads people back to here and maybe they buy some stuff, right? So that's cool. You have the opportunity to make truly passive income by showing up on I'm just going on the homepage here. Let's click it's a date. Let's look at this product. Cool, $15.99. That looks fun. Let me scroll down. See if there's any videos here, or let me just keep scrolling actually. So, okay, I'm learning more about the content. Okay, cool. Boom. Now, on these, they're way down here, but look, Caitlin here made this video. She's talking about the product. If I go buy this product right now, she's gonna get a commission. That is passive. You're talking about Amazon. Where are they on the traffic list? Let's look real quick. Most trafficked US websites. Let's go to SimilarWeb. They gotta be top 10, right? Okay, number 4. Yeah, scroll down way too far. I was like, yeah, you guys are like, come on, dude. Brooks, go up. Amazon, number 4 trafficked website, like in the United States, above Reddit, above Yahoo, above X, Instagram. So like, yes, you may be way down on that page, but hey, you need like 1 out of 10,000 people to see your video and then make a purchase. It's crazy. Okay. So that's a plus, right? Truly passive income if your videos show up on these carousels. Now, side note, you're not in control of this. Amazon is in control of whether your videos show up here or not. But you, in essence, get to profit off of Amazon's customer base and their brand. Pretty cool.